So this is our durability lab. Maybe you can tell them a little bit about what we do here.
Okay, this job test lab is designed to test the product strength and material properties. We have multiple tests including tumbling barrel test, guided job test, and stable job test. If we have to test 10 those, for example, to our broken, they won't pass. But actually, the standard of the job test is not quantitative but descriptive. We have to evaluate the degree of the wear.
Okay, that sounds great. Rather than talking about it, how about we just show them? So I've actually got a phone here.
Wow.
Let's try it out.
Now I will test. Let me look. Looks good. Check it, Daniel.
It's looking alright still.
Yeah.
Perfect. So now I think we can move on to the tumble test.
As for the tumbling barrel test, it is used to determine the survivability of smartphones under random free-fall conditions to simulate users' everyday usage. And to predict the performance and durability of the smartphone, we have to test it until we find any weak parts of it. And the result will assist our development team in terms of the product design. As for the stable job test, the purpose of it is to evaluate the sensitivity of components and to ensure the frontal and direct impact. So actually this test is conducted by dropping the ball to a specific area, for example, to test the display, the camera lens, and so on.
So the steel ball test involves dropping a steel ball. That's a very good name for a good test. Okay, cool.